Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share some technology product invention this year. Let's move on. First of all, Somnox sleep robot, one of the most invention this year. Somnox is the world first sleep robot developed to study global sleep revolution by helping users to fall asleep faster, sleep longer, and wake up naturally. Somnox's proprietary technology includes features like a CO2 sensor to sense breathing, accelerometer to detect movement, audio speaker, and an intelligent algorithm to smooth the user back to sleep and occupy the Somnox apps. Please check the details in description option, price and review. Another one product, Scout Video Doorbell. Scout Video Doorbell is the newest addition to the Scout DIY home security lineup. It is a full-feature video doorbell. It lets you answer the door from home or while away. It provides HD video alert, live streaming video with two-way audio, infrared night vision, optimized people detection and more. Another product is Philips SmartSleep and Wake Up Light. This is a clinically proven sleep and wake up light designed to help people relax and sleep and wake up naturally. The alarm clock has built-in ambient sensor to measure your bedroom's temperature, noise, light, humidity level. Additionally, feature includes customizable alarm, customizable light, sound, and new color, sunrise, sunset themes through your smartphone with the Philips Smart Mapper apps, FM radio, power bank, USB mobile phone charging, AUX dock while with quality speaker, full dim clock and smart touch display. Another product is Netgear Orbi Voice. This is an all-in-one smart speaker and Wi-Fi satellite that uses your voice to play music, get the news, and check the weather. The speaker satellite delivers exceptionally rich, room-filling sound, instant access to the music you love. Thanks to potent tri-band technology, the device eliminates Wi-Fi dual zone and buffering, adding 2000 square feet of constant coverage to your existing Orbi meshed Wi-Fi network. You can see in this product review or price. Skyroam Solis X. Skyroam Solis X, the world first Wi-Fi smart sport device, provides ultimate global Wi-Fi anywhere. It is a unique combination of global 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, remote camera, power bank, and integrated smart. Another product is Fitbit Versa, a premium smartwatch package with advanced health, fitness, convenience, and the right amount of smart feature help you maximum your day, like Amazon Alexa built-in Spotify, Fitbit Play, the always display mode, new sleep feature like sleep score, smartwatch, smart walk, smart mode, all have improved battery. If you want to buy this product, check below in product description and price link. Another product is Movado smartwatch. The Movado smartwatch is the time price that fuse Movado iconic design aesthetic with Google cutting edge technology. For the stylish technique, the watch offers interchangeable scrub bracelet to pair with any outfit, while the tech includes customizable dials, Google's OS, where the ecosystem, heart rate monitoring, microphone, GPS, and more. Another product is BeHear hearing device. Wire and Hair is the brand of future-forward wearable audio device with personalized hearing assessment on the Wire and Hair application. BeHear now empowers its users by giving them the control over how they hear. The stylish, affordable, always-on, always-connected wearable audio device and Bluetooth connectivity enhance the listening experience for day-to-day activities. You also see this product price or review in below link. Another product is Edifier True Wireless Earbud. These wireless Bluetooth earbuds are designed to deliver high-level acoustic profile for an untethered listening experience. Multifunction touch control allow for playback management and call answering without having another product out your smart secure device. Drive. The hardware encrypted secure drive and unlock the drive with two-factor authentication, facial recognition, or fingerprint on your iOS or Android device. It boasts features like step-away auto lock to keep your files safe when you are 10 feet away from the device. Even if you still plug into the computer, the secure drive BT also remote wipe, so you can clear your drive if it become lost or stolen. If you want to buy this product, I give you link in below to check review and price. Thanks for watching this video.